Good morning class. So today we will going to discuss about third unit second lesson, that is the poem Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. So this is a sad poem of a widow lady. That is what is meant by widow means the woman who lost her husband, that is who lost her husband in battles or accident something. So the woman is there, no? She is called widow. So here this poem is a sad poem. The woman who lost her husband in the battle, she is expressing, she is not expressing, but she is feeling so sad inside. So this poem tells about what she is feeling inside. So here woman they bought her warrior dead. So here one woman is there, she has a child. So husband died in the battle, but her husband is a good quality soldier. So all the people who there that is surrounding, they came, they bought her husband in and lied on the floor in front of her. By seeing her husband, she even, that is she didn't even that is cried, that is no one drop of water also came out of her eyes. She, that is all the people in the surroundings, they thought that she is shocked. But one of the ladies said that you should accept this truth that you should accept this truth that your husband is no more now. So you should cry, because if you hide your pain inside only, you the health condition of the health condition of yours will be bad. So you should cry and the pain will be gone out. But the lady, she is keep on looking her husband, but she didn't even cried, and not at all one drop of water also came outside her eyes. She is very that is she is shocked, and she is very depressed, and she not able to accept that her husband is died in the battle. And one of the lady came, and that is one of the lady in the surroundings tried to keep her cry. And then she came, and what she did is she removed the cloth from the face of her husband. But even though she is seeing his husband, but she is not at all crying. Then after a 90 years old nurse came, and what she did is she took the woman child, and she bought the child, and she kept her child, the woman child, in her knees. Then the woman then saw her child, and she is very strongly cried, that is the water flowed very heavily. Then she cried very very fastly, and she is telling to her child that telling to her child that her father, or the child father, is no more. And she after some time she is telling that I will live for my child, and I will say that that is I will say to my child that you that is I అంటే అంటారు కదా, ఏ లోటు లేకుండా పెంచుతాను. దట్ ఈస్ the woman is thinking here herself that I will see this child very that is very అంటే ఏ అవసరం రానియకుండా, ఏ లోటు రానివ్వకుండా పెంచుతాను అని చెప్పి ప్రామిస్ చేసిందనమాట. So I am not getting how to say. So she promised her child, and she promised as well as his husband, and she cried very much. So this is the story of a woman who lost her husband in her battle, and all the people in the surrounding says that he is a good friend, and a good truest husband, and a good friend also, and he is a very good person in the kingdom or a village. So all the people in the surrounding says that you should accept the truth that your husband is no more, and the husband and the woman also promised that she will see her child very good, and no, that is no more that is no more difficulties to her. So this is all about this poem, Home They Brought Her, Warrior Dead. This is a sad poem. Hope you understand. Thank you.